guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So these people have sent me this product. It's by Prolixr and this is the perfect detoxifying sea algae face mask. So algae is being used for thousands and thousands of years. Algae are powerhouse of nutrients and minerals, and it removes all the toxins from your skin and it detoxifies your skin. It gives you that amazing glow and it also hydrates your skin. So I'm going to be trying this face pack sent to me from them, and I will tell you about this product. So this is for about 2,499 rupees, the face pack, and the benefits are it will deeply hydrate, it will detoxify and brighten, protect against pollution, tighten your pores and boost radiance. So I am really excited to try this product. So let me open the box. Oh great, so they have a brush like this so that you can apply the product. And I'm going to open this box. So this is what it looks like. So let's see, how do you apply this? So to apply this, you have to wash your face. I've already washed my face. And then you spread evenly on your face and you have to sit and relax for 10 minutes. So let's start. I've already washed my face. I have nothing on my face right now. And I'm going to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, the product. And I'm going to use this brush. This is the best part about the product, that they have a brush. It's so easy to apply. The consistency is kind of thick. And let's apply this. Smells good. So guys, I've applied it now, and we're supposed to wait for 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes and see. So guys, this is dried now. I've just taken a cloth. This is like a little bit of lukewarm water. I'm going to remove my face pack. So guys, I've removed the product completely from my face, and you can actually see the difference. My skin feels really good, and I think that glow is there. I mean, after removing the face pack, so I think I really like this product. But the only thing is my skin is feeling a little dry, so I think they've asked us to moisturize after. Okay, yeah. So they have suggested to use a moisturizer after you apply this. So use a nice moisturizer after you apply this face pack. I totally loved it. It's really good. My skin feels awesome, and I think my pores have also tightened. I can see that. So you all should definitely try this product. Algae is amazing for your skin. So go try it out. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried it. And guys, there is a giveaway. So for this giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official, and follow me there, and also leave a comment here down below, and I will select at least 2 people, 2 of my subscribers. So for this, you have to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to YouTube as well. So I will give this product to 2 of my subscribers. So go ahead and enjoy this giveaway, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.